Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this two-piece using sequin mesh fabric. This must be the most beautiful fabric I have ever bought. Even though it is from AliExpress, it is so fancy and the quality is great. The mesh is very sturdy, and even though it is see-through, I did not need to line the skirt because somehow the beige color blocks everything underneath when I put it on. I will leave the link down below in the description box for those who want to purchase the fabric. The items you will need for this project are listed here. You will need your sewing supplies as usual, about 1.5 meters of sequin fabric, about 1 meter of spandex or stretch velvet, stretch bias tape, white elastic for the bralette waistband, a zipper, eye hook closure, a pencil skirt pattern or a pencil skirt, and a bralette pattern. We start by cutting the front and back panels of the skirt. Lay out the stretch fabric for the back. Make sure the fabric stretches widthwise. Place your pattern or skirt and cut it out. Do the same for the front panel. Place the pattern or skirt on the fabric and cut. I cut it a bit crooked at the end, but I will fix that later. So now you have your stretchy back panel and your sequin front panel. Moving on to cutting the bralette. Click the link in the description box below to see which tutorial I use for the bralette pattern. I want this part right here to be on my bralette, so this is where I'll place it. Once cut, this is how the bralette pieces will look. Now we'll start with constructing the skirt. Place the back and front panel together with the right sides facing and sew. Put in a zipper on one of the sides before closing the skirt completely. To finish the hem, I will sew the stretch bias tape all around like this. For the bottom hem, you can choose to use the bias tape as well, but I chose to cut the mesh and leave it like this. In the back, I folded the hem and sew it down. Moving on to the bralette. Sew the bias tape all around the outside of the cup all the way to the top, creating straps. Measure around your waist and find the midpoint of the elastic / bias tape and pin the cups in place. Then sew along the edge using a straight stitch and stretching the bias tape or elastic when you sew. You can top stitch the edge if you want to. Don't be like me and put an eye closure where I sewed the bralette together. I did it this way because I couldn't find an eye hook closure. Pin the straps about 5 centimeters away from the eye hook closure and sew it down. And that is all.